In this tutorial, we will look at how we can update our profiles in the Contribute Cloud software. Firstly, you need to click on your avatar in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Please note, this might be blank. Then select My Profile. This will take you to the profile screen. Click on Edit Profile, and you can then make changes to your username, email, and even change your password from this screen. To change your avatar, click on the camera icon in the top left of the screen and then select an image to upload. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial.